just nobody. Not even her. No, I still try. She wonders why.
Hey guys, so it is Monday, September 10th, and right now I am actually going back to my middle school because a few of us from last year who went there are going back to the book club there. We're just gonna go hang out there. We're at McDonald's and we're gonna go in a minute.
Yeah.
I got my ice cream. And Aaron's here, but Jaden, what meme is that? Show them the meme.
What? This meme?
Yeah.
It's not really a meme, but
Keep calm. You didn't even let me read it. So yeah. Are you excited about going back?
Yeah.
Do you wanna go back there permanently?
no.
We are so iconic. You guys are the weirdest people ever.
I'm sorry to feel, but it's alright.
We don't know how to spell Benjamin Franklin.
When it's too late.
Hi. I like what?
Ugly. Just kidding. Everyone's calling for rides home, and I'm just riding my bike. So bye, losers.
Hi, nerd.
So guys, I'm riding back home now, and it was awesome. It was so much fun just seeing everyone and hanging out with everyone else who went there. This is like the craziest thing. Just coming back here.
I've been thinking. Waiting for a minute till the sun see through my eyes.
So we are at the beach today, and it is beautiful. Water's blue, sunset right now, and it's very windy.
It's a Friday, we finally made it. I can't believe I get to see your face. You've been working and I've been waiting.
We're at the
Some
beach.
bomb pictures. You better post them on your Insta. Like, you never post photos, like good, like Instagram photos.
Weekend, like only weekend, like only weekend. Love on the weekend, love on the weekend. I'm coming up.
So Lily told me to watch this video about hypnotism. I don't think it's gonna work.
I want you to make sure that you're in a quiet environment. You take both your hands and put them in front of you like this, at the height of your shoulders, straight out in front of you, with about 7 or 8 inches apart. Great. Don't move your arms, just open your eyes and look at them. There are two kinds of results that you can expect. There are those of you who are like this, and then there are those of you who are like this. Share this video with your friends to see if they would make good hypnosis.
Weekend, love on the weekend. We found a message in a bottle we were drinking.
Why is that one green? For
Shake-
diversity?
You wanna shake Aaron's hand?
Hi, Josh.
How's it going?
Hello.
Josh, look at the sky. That's all we care about on this vlog channel.
Aaron, I dare you to throw it over the wall.
No, that's not a wall, it's a building.
Okay, Case, truth or dare?
As high as you can get up that tree.
Aaron's just gonna end up doing it himself. Aaron, you're the only one here who can
You
climb.
guys, this is...
I feel like you've been on a rock climbing wall like 100 times before. Knew it.
Nowhere else to grab.
Aaron has done everything 100 times
Yeah,
at
this
this
is
point.
as high as I can go because there's nowhere else to grab. Yo, Rachel, over there.
People.
Huh?
People.
People. What about people?
You just walk around like, people.
Wow.
People. I hate society.
There. He said I have to run all the way down there and back yelling. People are gonna think I'm like dying or something. How about
Yeah,
you guys
look at-
climb up to that? See that metal?
Rachel, it's your dare.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you go do it.
I'll do that dare
The
now.
end is nigh.
Well, do you hear that person singing? They were singing along with it. Okay, here we go.
Till you see me standing.
You actually know the words?
Yeah,
That was
because
before my time. Here he goes.
it's higher than that.
No.
Oh, that's gonna fall.
That's why I said no.
Oh!
Give
Over there,
Joshua
over there.
Go get your ears pierced.
Yeah.
the free ear piercing at Coors.
Yeah. Do it.
Parents would be so mad. They would be like, what in the
Go
world?
sit on that bike.
Aaron, there's a person.
This girl turned away so fast.
Like, no.
Today.
Not today.
Go into there.
This reminds me of like something illegal. So.
He's going to get arrested.
Come on, guys. There's only 73 questions. So, how's your house? This is your house, you know?
Yeah, I've been living here for 7 years.
Oh my goodness, it smells like chemicals.
Calmly walk. Don't act suspicious.
That was not safe.
I'll hold it.
Guys, we almost got arrested. I got stuck behind that place. There was a guy working there. We all ran away. So, clickbait.
Story time.
Story time. We got arrested. Kicked out of the mall.
Oh, jump in the fountain.
Do it. Do it.
That's too much.
Josh, go through your home.
I'm not doing this in public.
Do it.
I'm not doing it in public.
Then do it in private. We'll cover you.
Everyone just sees a bunch of people crowding around a trash can. It looks like a ritual or something.
Come on, guys. Let's go to the fountain. Fountain.
So you ain't gonna get run over, right?
Say hi.
Wait, what time is it?
It's like 8, probably. No, like 7:30.
Okay, I told them 8, so.
All right. So.
Wait, can I just stick my feet in?
Yeah.
To the square? Square? Is square an option?
Yes.
Square is always an option.
Make a wish, you guys.
I didn't know it was that deep.
Neither did I. Come have a seat.
I'm okay.
Oh, come have a seat. So guys, I'm sitting by the fountain.
There's probably diseases in there.
Yeah, they're fine.
Honestly, I hope I get them so I can die sooner. So,
Take some money out while you're in there.
yes! No.
Get out. Get out.
Rachel said she doesn't like hanging out with a bunch of
I have
freshmen
a
because
lot
it
of.
lowers her
I
street
actually have
cred.
50 street cred.
50?
Yeah.
I thought you had 49 yesterday. Did you
I know.
upgrade?
Yeah. I
Oh.
did something illegal.
Wait, what'd you do? Rachel,
can't
did you do
say.
drugs?
You did.
Did you join a gang?
Let's just say I'm highly addicted to something that starts with an H. Heroin. I mean, don't put that in the vlog.
Okay, yeah, I won't. Wait, so are we going to Bed Bath?
I'm just walking.
What does that mean? New home, new dreams. What if you're... Wait, guys. Guys, look. New home, new home, new dreams. What if you're homeless?
Just drive away on that motorcycle thing.
Bed Bath & Beyond. What are you here? What are you looking for?
I'm actually looking for someone that I can have on my bed because I always feel lonely at night when I cry myself to sleep.
Okay.
I think this one would be really good because like it reminds me that I'm ugly.
I need this. Can I have it? I want
What?
it. I want it. Dude,
are
it's,
you?
Joshua,
dude,
okay,
it's
this-
extra large
Joshua,
squeakles, okay?
this one is terrible. It says squeak me and look, it's not even squeaky.